Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, hacked emails expose S-400 deal with Russia. A trove of hacked email belonging to a high-ranking Russian officers has unveiled sensitive information about defense contracts between Russia and India, including the controversial S-400 missile system deal. The 2018 agreement for the S-400 Tyumy missile systems, signed during Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to India, has hailed as a major milestone for the Russian defense industries, valued at over $5 billion. The leaked documents provide unprecedented insights into the landmark deal. Next, working on improved glide bomb variant. BDL is embarking on a project to enhance the capabilities of the Indian Air Force. The company has begun work on an improved version of the existing long-range glide bomb, a 500 kg inertially guided bomb. Designated Mk2 500 kg inertially guided bomb will incorporate a newly designed wing kit assembly. This modification is expected to extend the operational range of the bomb beyond the current 30 plus kilometers. Next, Zorawar light tank with laser guided missiles and more. India's upcoming light tank is gearing up for battle with a potent armament system, including a new cannon launched laser guided missile and the ability to fire anti-tank guided missiles directly from its main gun. Following the Indian Army's mandate for light tanks to fire ATGMs, the Zorawar will be equipped with the indigenously developed SAMHO SAMHO missile, also known as Semi-Active Mission Homing, successfully tested on Arjun Mk1 tanks. SAMHO is a versatile anti-armor weapon effective against enemy tanks and low-flying helicopters at ranges exceeding 5 kilometers. Next, a comparative analysis of drone, mule and helicopter. The Indian Army has taken a significant step forward in high-altitude logistics with the induction of the logistics drone. This drone with traditional methods like mules and the cheetah helicopter for delivering supplies in challenging mountain terrains. Supplying troops stationed at remote Himalayan outposts has long been a logistic challenge for the Indian Army. Traditional methods like mules are reliable but slow, while helicopters are expensive and have limited range. Next, successfully tested Phase 2 ballistic missiles defense system. India on Wednesday successfully flight tested Phase 2 ballistic missile defense system from off the Odisha coast, the government said in a statement. The test demonstrated India's indigenous capability to defend against ballistic missiles of 5,000 kilometer class. It said the target missile was launched from LC-4 Dhamra at 16:20 hours, mimicking adversary ballistic missile which was detected by weapon system radars deployed on land and sea and activated the AD interceptor system. Next, incentives to boost MRO activities in aviation, shipping sectors. The government on Tuesday announced certain incentives as part of efforts to boost maintenance, repair and overall activities in the country's aviation and shipping sectors. India is one of the fastest growing domestic aviation markets in the world. To promote domestic aviation and boat and ship MRO, I supposed to extend the period for export of goods imported for repairs from 6 months to 1 year. In the same vein, I propose to extend the time limit for re-import of goods for repairs under warranty from 3 to 5 years, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said. Next, body of missing sailor of INS Brahmaputra found. The body of leading seaman Sitinder Singh, who went missing following a major fire on board India's frontline warship INS Brahmaputra at the naval dockyard in Mumbai 3 days ago, was found on Wednesday. The warship was severely damaged and tilted heavily to one side following the fire on Sunday evening. The warship is now resting on her left side. Navy Chief Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi visited the naval dockyard on Tuesday and reviewed the sequence of events leading to the accident. Thank you.